Hey everyone! Welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how to clear your cache and cookies in Google Chrome. This simple process can help speed up your browser, fix loading issues, and protect your privacy. Let's dive right in. First, make sure you have Google Chrome open on your computer. Now, look at the top right corner of your browser window. You'll see 3 vertical dots. This is your menu button. Go ahead and click on it. From the drop-down menu that appears, scroll down and click on Settings. This will open Chrome's Settings page in a new tab where we can manage all our browser preferences. On the left sidebar, you'll see several options. We need to click on Privacy and Security. This section controls everything related to your browsing data, permissions, and security features. Once you're in the Privacy and Security section, look for the option that says Clear Browsing Data or Delete Browsing Data. It's usually one of the first options you'll see. Click on it to continue. Now you'll see a pop-up window with 2 important sections. First, at the top, you need to choose your time range. You have several options: last hour, last 24 hours, last 7 days, last 4 weeks, or all time if you want to clear everything. For this tutorial, I'm going to select all time to give my browser a complete refresh. Next, you'll see 3 checkboxes: browsing history. This deletes your list of visited websites. Cookies and other site data. This logs you out of most websites. Cached images and files. This removes temporary files that help pages load faster. Here's what I recommend. If you want to stay logged into your favorite websites, you might want to uncheck cookies and other site data. However, if you're experiencing issues or want a fresh start, keep everything checked. You can also see how much space your cache is taking up. In my case, it shows about 229 megabytes. You might be more or less depending on your browsing habits. Once you've made your selections, simply click the blue Clear Data button at the bottom. Chrome will now delete the selected items. This usually takes just a few seconds. And that's it. You've successfully cleared your cache and cookies. You should notice that Chrome feels a bit snappier, and any website issues you were experiencing might now be resolved. If this tutorial helped you out, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more helpful tech tips. Please let me know in the comments section below if this resolved your browsing problems, or if you have any more questions. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.